Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the countdown timer on your Marathon ADANAC general purpose digital watch. This is very simple. As with most of the features on this watch, there's not a whole lot of bells and whistles. This watch kind of gives you everything you need without overcomplicating it. So if we want to get to our timer while we're in our main timekeeping screen, all we're going to do is press the mode button 3 times. The first time you press it, it'll take you to your alarm mode. Second time will be your chronograph. Third time will be your countdown timer mode. It's pretty simple. Once you get in here, you're going to have TMR at the top, just tells you which mode you're in. The middle section will be your countdown timer values. First digits are going to be your hours, your minutes, your seconds, and at the bottom here will always be your current time. So you can stay in here, watch your timer if you want. You'll still be able to see the current time. You don't have to stay in the timer mode. If you want to go back to your main watch face while your timer is running in the background, that's totally fine. To start the timer, we're going to simply press the top right button. That's the start. You can see that my timer is counting down. I can press start again to stop it. Press start again to resume, so on and so forth. When you want to reset it, while it is stopped, you can press the reset button. There are some predefined values that they give you on this watch, and then the last value you can choose is a custom value that you set for whatever you want to. 1 minute is one of those values. If I press the reset button, it'll take me to my other values. So I can do a 3-minute timer, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15, 45, and then the last one is going to be the custom value. If you want to change the custom value, I've got it set for 59 minutes. While you're in the timer mode, doesn't matter which timer you're on, you can press and hold the mode button. After a couple of seconds, you will see the hour start blinking, and then you can use the start or reset button to adjust the hour. Start will adjust it up, reset will adjust it down. Once you've got your hour set, you can press the mode button. It'll take you to your minutes. Again, you can use the start and reset button to adjust your minutes. Press the mode button again. You can even adjust your seconds. So if you wanted to set a 55-minute and 2-second timer, you could totally do that. Once you've got it set the way you want, press and hold the mode button to get you out of the setting. And now you've set a custom timer. Whichever timer value you use will be the one that it will default to whenever you go back to the timer mode. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We're not running a timer. I'm going to simply press the mode button, go back to my main timekeeping. Let's say I wanted to go do my timer. When I go back to it, it will remember the timer value that I had previously used. And again, start, stop, reset. If I want to switch to one of the other quick timers, I can do it. Pretty simple stuff. Once you're done with the timer, you can basically just press the mode button a couple times, get back to your main timekeeping, and that is how we use the countdown timer on our Marathon ADANAC watch. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.